Jagrut Vavadia, Director of Sons Precious Metals Ltd, and we are using DataNote since last March month. I mean, for almost 9 months, and it took to implement 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months, it was completely implemented, and we were using Tally before DataNote, and in Tally we were having some problem in voucher numbering system, because if a user can change backdated vouchers or alter vouchers, so all voucher numbers was changing again and again. So to rectify that, it took long time. In DataNote that problem doesn't happen, and it is a very dynamic software, and you can do any kind of customization if you require. Their channel partners give very good support. In our industry, TCS and TDS is very problematic, because we are currently having more than 1,000 clients, and each and every clients have different applicability of TCS or TDS. So in DataNote we can manage that very mannered way, and our price includes TCS and TDS too. Reverse calculate the price was also a very big headache. That was very good in DataNote. After sale service from DataNote was very good, because they have their own channel partners, and they pick calls in hours and give solution in 2 or 3 hours if we have any problem.